Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Gramleys. I am starting with India's most favorite drink, Masala Tea Recipe. So let's learn and make together. Now to make 2 cups of tea, I have taken a small ginger, cardamom, black pepper, cloves, tea powder, sugar, milk and water. Pour 1 cup of water and let it boil on a medium flame. Crush or mince the ginger. The more you beat it, better it will release its juice in the water. Crush 1 cardamom, 1 black pepper, 1 clove to make it a more balanced masala tea. Add 2 tablespoons of tea powder and let it boil for 4 minutes. Add 1 cup of milk. Boil twice to make it ready. You can boil more to make it more strong. Now your tea is ready to be served. Do give it a try. If you really like the recipe, do like the video and share it to those who are learning to cook. Do support me by subscribing to the channel and I'll be posting a variety of videos related to food. Thank you. इसको बंद करते हैं. Ah shit! कब टूट गया?